Join me as I dive deep into Jake Paul's luxe lifestyle and see if I can uncover the secrets behind how it's making him even richer. Jake Paul, the king of controversy, the lord of lavish spending, and the one who's always making headlines with his outrageous antics. But have you ever stopped to think about how his extravagant lifestyle might be impacting his bank account? I mean, is it even possible that his luxe lifestyle is secretly making him richer? We often assume that social media influencers are drowning in cash, and to some extent, that's true. They're making millions from brand deals, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. But appearances can be deceiving. Take, for instance, someone like Kylie Jenner, who went from being a billionaire to not being one anymore. The point is, things aren't always as they seem. There's more to being rich than just flaunting wealth on Instagram. Take Jake Paul, for example. On the surface, he's living the high life, with private jets, luxurious mansions, and exotic vacations. But how much of that is actually sustainable, and how much of it is just a cleverly crafted image? Because let's be real, being an influencer is all about creating a persona, an image that sells. When you think about it, it's not like Jake Paul is just blowing all his cash on Rolex watches and Gucci bags. He's a smart businessman, and he's diversified his income streams. He's making money from boxing, YouTube, merchandise sales, and who knows what else. The question is, how much of that money is actually contributing to his luxe lifestyle, and how much of it is just padding his bank account? One thing's for sure, Jake Paul's boxing career has been a game changer for his finances. His fights with Daejeon and Isan Gib, for instance, reportedly earned him millions. And let's not forget his YouTube ad revenue, which is probably in the tens of thousands of dollars per month. Then there's his merchandise line, which is always dropping new gear and selling out fast. The point is, Jake Paul's got his fingers in a lot of pies, and that's what's contributing to his wealth. But what's really surprising is that Jake Paul's luxe lifestyle might not be as expensive as it seems. Think about it, when he's posting pictures of himself on private jets, he's not paying for those flights out of his own pocket. He's probably getting comped by the airline in exchange for promotion. And in those luxurious mansions, he's probably renting them for a fraction of what it would cost to buy them. The point is, Jake Paul's luxe lifestyle is probably a lot more affordable than we think. What's even more surprising is that Jake Paul's financial situation might be more solid than we think. According to reports, he's been investing in real estate, stocks, and even cryptocurrency. He's not just blowing all his cash on lavish spending, he's thinking about the future. And that's what's really making him richer. So what's the takeaway from all this? Jake Paul's luxe lifestyle might be flashy and attention-grabbing, but it's also a carefully crafted image that's making him money. He's not just a social media influencer, he's a savvy businessman who knows how to turn his persona into a cash cow. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got thoughts on Jake Paul's luxe lifestyle, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about celebrity finances, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll be diving deep into the world of celebrity wealth.